Hi, I'm gonna do a video using this Colourpop stuff that I got a very long time ago, but I didn't have time to do anything with it until very recently. Forgive me if I look here and there and here and there. I'm really new to this. I don't know how to make makeup videos anymore. So my go-to lately has been this Colourpop stick. The balm stick, whatever you want to call it. People have been using more brushes, less sponges. So let's see how it goes. It's way less like physical. This is less physical impact. Pull some more cream products. In my perusing, I noticed that a lot of young people like creamy things. I'm still very much powder, like old and powdery, old powder lady. I'm embarrassed to show this. It's been eaten, but I don't like to drag and go crazy. So I do like a tapping motion. Trying with the brush again. Well. I think I'm a fan of the brush method. This is the Urban Decay Hydromaniac Blush Glow Hydrator. This is shade Unhinged. I haven't used this in a while. I am actually gonna use a sponge for that. Do my little all-nighter spritz. Oh, it's very tame. It's like not even there. Still using Shape Tape. Tarte used to send me stuff. Thank you. If you didn't send this to me, I would have loved it and have been kept buying it for years and years and years. So thanks for used to sending me stuff. Go in with the brush again and just kind of swirl that around. Also, shout out to this brush. It's from Sydney Grace. Yeah, I usually use this for powder, but since it's I can't tell if it's synthetic or not. I believe it's synthetic, just the way that it's operating around creamy stuff. But hello, that's pretty dang blended and very effortless. Here with my Urban Decay all-nighter powder, waterproof setting powder. I am about to need to buy more of these because yikes. You dig in there and swipe underneath just to hurt my eye, but just to set the concealer with something waterproof. I'm gonna sweep around with some powder foundation, Urban Decay again. My favorite thing in the whole wide world from Black Moon. All of the Moonlighters, like, intoxicating to smell, but the color shift is ridiculous. Pay attention. Do you see? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Yes, I purposely have no brows, but today you will get a brow. I use like your basic girl, like neutral golden glow. I use that too, and I absolutely just leave it like right here. Leave it right here. I don't care. Might as well just connect it. Going in with the Suva. I miss you, Suva. It's a cake liner. Green. Going for green to match my little color story that I have going on. And watch how intense you thought you got erased. Wrong. So wrong. It just got a base. It's not rice paper though, am I right? Am I right? Back to that cut crease. Real wicked. Here we go. outline as usual. Now let's blend out with that shimmery dark purple, kind of meet it with the highlight. I brought in the dark brown to my inner corners. Just looked a little prettier. But this dark purple is gonna go nicely up. I can see that it has some like green reflex, so it's gonna go real nice. Gonna do a couple dots of the P. Louise. The neutral people would eat this color up. Like with the purple. Bottom, I'm just gonna do all the blues in the palette. Oh man, this little Toy Story palette is full of like iridescent surprises. I'm gonna use these simple ones that I wear on a regular semi-casual basis. They're called Tiger Lily. They're from the beauty supply store. I don't know what brand or anything. I just know they were like $3.99 at the beauty supply on Lake Avenue, where we used to have Style 7. Now we got a bigger and better beauty supply, but not gonna lie, I still miss Style 7. Super cash. Should we do this one? This one's really calling my name. This is Urban Decay's Alkaline. Let's try Buzz. These are so small. But mighty, the completed look. Love that. I could stare at this all day long. Okie doke, that is it for this video. Let me know what y'all think. Hope you like it. Hope it helped. Thanks for watching and subscribing or following if you have. Bye.